For the past month, I've left the factory screen protector on. It's getting kind of gross right now. I can't really clean it that well. So I'm going to remove it and replace it with an Abstract Ocean screen protector with an anti-fingerprint coating. The biggest reason I wanted to get a screen protector is for the fingerprints and any potential scratches that can happen in the car, especially if you have kids. Abstract Ocean had several different kinds of LCD protectors, depending on your needs. So, let's get on with it. Comes with two protectors, one of which I'm going to save for another time. I have a microfiber cloth squeegee with a felt tip, so I'm going to use those to help out. Another good thing to do is put the car into screen cleaning mode. So what we're going to do is go into display, screen clean mode. Oh, there's a nice clean screen. Just going to make sure there are no dust particles on here. It is looking pretty good. Okay, so it has two sides. Step one is going to be the side that adheres to the screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to place this on here. Seems to be a pretty good match. All right. So let's put this on. I'm going to try to align the left side of the screen first. Try to get as many bubbles as I can out. It's like doing a giant phone. Trying to get all the bubbles. Got a couple of bubbles here. I'll try it one more time. Looking good. All right, that's it. Any bubbles at the edges, you just press with the squeegee. All right, that's basically it. Step 2 is to remove the protective surface plastic on this side. And there we go. If you get any stray bubbles, just try to use a squeegee and push them to the edge. Pretty darn good. It really helped that I had the factory protector on and quickly installed the new protector. I saved time by not having to clean the screen and reduced chances of dust getting on it. Alright, so we press and hold. There we go. Here's what the screen protector looks like in a shady interior of a garage. Here's from my sitting position. Here's a view outside in direct sunlight. And this is also from my sitting position. From using the screen for the past few days, it looks great. No bubbles and the edges look clean. There are some reflections, but I'm fine with that. If that bothers you, go for the matte version. You do lose some of the display sharpness though. In conclusion, it was a very easy install. The protector is forgiving in that you can pick it up in the corner and retry it without it deforming. And since it's roughly $11, it's not a bad price for a little peace of mind and reduction of finger smudges. There are also tempered glass protectors now that have been released. They do protection and have matte finishes, but they're even easier to install. But they are kind of expensive. I've noticed the price is roughly 4 times the amount I paid for this one. Overall, this was a definite buy for me, and pretty easy to install. See you in the next video.